Okay, everybody, so this is another random thing that I was at Target and I was looking around and I saw this mystery box with a question mark over $50 in original retail value. Unbox 15 awesome surprises. $15.99 it costs. Question mark. This package is guaranteed to contain 15 or more collectible items and over $50 in retail value. The products in this package have been purchased directly from the manufacturer or purchased from the secondary market and repackaged for retail sales by the Fairfield Company. So I have no idea what's in this box. I haven't watched any videos or looked it up at all either. Unbox 15 awesome surprises. So we're gonna open this up and see what the heck is in this. I got this thing at Target for 16 bucks. This is the most random thing ever. Like, I was like, what the heck would be in there? Like, it was near the card area, like where there's like baseball cards, Fortnite cards, and stuff like that. It was in that area, so we're gonna open this and see what the heck is in here. I saw the receipt, so I guess I could return this thing too. Like, if there's something stupid in here, I'll just return it. God damn, they have this thing like freaking super glued like crazy. I don't want to like rip it too bad, but it looks like you have to just to open it. They just put like Gorilla Glue on this thing. Look at that. What the heck? Look at that Gorilla Glue. It's like crazy. I guess I'm just gonna slice it down this side right here. Try to do like some nice slice. No clue what is in this box. This is so weird. Mystery box. Huh. Here we go. Here is a weird mystery box. I have no clue what's in this. Light ups. Collect all 8 light ups. 1 2D light up dangler. Nickelodeon. So something that lights up you can collect if you want to. Here you have Little Pony Friendship Magic Series 2 1 dog tag plus 1 foil trading card and decal sticker. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, look at that, we got 2 of those. Is that different? No, same. Oh, I didn't read the back. Collect all 30 tags, 27 foil trading cards, plus 9 decals. Checklist inside. Huh. I have to open one of these. I got 2 of them. I'll open them all. Oh yeah, Ninja Turtles. Light ups. 1 8-bit light up per pack. Ages 5 plus. Collect all 9. Includes 1. Okay. Powerpuff Girls, collect them all, light up danglers. Ah, is that what this is? This is a light up. Light up, light up. Oh, a slap bracelet. I remember that. That's kind of cool. Oop. Just gotta open it. Slap bracelet trolls. Okay. Num Nums smell so delicious. Magnet cards. Were scented. Look for special edition characters. 3 magnets, 1 scented sticker sheet, and 1 mini poster inside. Collect them all. 16 magnets, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay, another troll slap bracelet. Oh my god, I want to collect those so bad. Collectible mini minus a conditioner. What? 9 to collect. Okay. They're little figures inside of a bottle that you can put on your shelf or something. This is kind of neat. I know somebody that likes these. The Night Before Christmas. Isn't that Jack the Skeleton? Isn't that what that's called? Well, LOL surprise collector cards. Collector cards and surprises inside. LOL surprise collector cards. Oh my god. Frozen from the movie. Collect all 7. Animal Jam. Adopt a pet. Unlock bonus item. What the? Oh. Hey, I bought $16 of garbage. No. Let's see. Collect over 100 Flip-a-zoos. Yeah, I'm gonna collect 100 of those. Like 4 years old plus. Minions. Collect them all. Collectible dog tags and stickers. You can collect them all. 1 bow for you. Mystery bows. 1 bow for your BFF and 1 bow for you. Oh, that's it. That is my $16 that I'm gonna bring back to Target and return. And they can count, hopefully, 15 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last one, 15 items. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more videos. I got a bunch of Fortnite cards I'm going to open up and hopefully get a bunch of hollows. I already have a bunch and I already have a bunch of videos, so check them all out and don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you all later. Thank you.